Hi, this is Joseph. Now I'm going to present you our product Asset Failure Heatmap module, which will give you a visual representation of asset failure, cause, remedy integrated with heatmap, which will help to decrease maintenance cost. Our objectives are help create a proactive analytical and visualization reporting framework for asset failure remediation, accelerate adoption of analytics-driven asset reliability and maintenance, reduced maintenance cost, prolonged asset life ensure near perfect performance, enable prioritized targeting of maintenance effort, enhance performance monitoring for timely action, enhance horizontal orchestration, better communicate goals, objectives across the enterprise and EAM. Now we will demonstrate you through some images which will represent our product. Our product add value to Maximo ERM by giving some visualization and analytic from which we can maintain a priority queue which will lower our maintenance cost, saves lot of time and as well as money. Our product can also be used as an individual product from where we can see visual output from Maximo data integrated or outside. Now you can see the first view of our product. It is representing the list of failure class. A failure class is the parent of failure that can occur to the asset. This is search enabled with pagination. If we select a failure class, it navigates us to a detail view. This represents the failure class, failure cause and remedies one-to-many relation in tree hierarchy view. Besides, it gives a heat map which shows us the assets in which some of the failure under the selected failure class is occurred. Inside the heat map, if one asset is represented on the red zone, then it must need to do a maintenance to avoid failure in near future, which will definitely reduce maintenance cost and saves a lot of time, as prevention is better than cure. And if the asset is shown in the green zone, then it is in the safe zone. Now you can see the detailed view of tree representation. We are now going to demonstrate you our product on live server. Now if we go to assets and failure codes, here we can see a list of failure class. Under a failure class, there can be multiple failures. Under each failure, there can be several number of causes, and under each cause, there can be several remedies as well. This failure class, failure, cause and remedy has a one-to-many relation between them, but there are no such view from where we can see this relation. In our product, we show the whole relation in one tree view, which is interactive and very convenient to represent this type of data structure. Now if we go to our product, which is currently integrated under work order tracking, asset failure report. This first view is showing the list of failure classes. Now if we select break failure class, we go to a detail view. Here the failure class, failure, cause and remedy of break are represented in a tree view. You can see here under the brake failure class there are three failures. Those are hydraulic brake, front brake and rear brake, and they can have several causes of failure as well. Beside the tree view representation, we can see here beside the tree view representation we have integrated heat map. These four assets are those assets in which the selected failure class, the brake fail, has occurred. The heat map is based on the priority and probability. The priority is basically the importance of an asset and the probability is the chance to fail in near future. Now if we look at the assets, we can have here bus carries a lot of people compared to the van. So it has a high priority and they have a equal probability of fail, but bus is in most vulnerable condition because it has a high priority. If we compare bus and van, we must do maintenance to bus first, then the van. Again, if we compare van and car, we must pick van to do maintenance because it is on the more ready zone. Our application provides you a prioritized queue of asset maintenance. If we follow the queue, then we will decrease our maintenance cost and effort and time. Now I'm going to show the value of our product for enterprise solution. Increase asset performance, enable to make timely action, reduced maintenance cost, increase enterprise profitability, failure data analysis as a service. Thank you for paying attention. We are now come to an end for today.